This time we're supposed to find the radian frequency or angular velocity for the following periods. We have given periods. The formula for the angular velocity says omega is equal to pi f, where frequency is equal 1 over period. Because I have given periods, I'm supposed to replace this f by 1 over t. Why? Because I have periods given and I want to find angular velocity, omega. Omega is going to be equal to 2 pi times, and instead of f I'm going to write 1 over period. 2 pi times 1 over t is nothing else, just omega 2 pi over t. And this is the format of the formula which I'm going to use to solve these problems. Remember that angular velocity or radian frequency is measured in radians per second. Okay, so this is the formula which I'm going to use. I have given period 5 seconds. My formula is omega equals 2 pi over period. 2 pi divided by 5 seconds. How are you supposed to enter this into the calculator? Simply type 2 pi divided by 5. This is equal 1.25 radian per second. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another one. I have again omega equals 2 pi over period. So I have 2 pi over period. My period is 0.04 second. This is equal 157.08 radians per second. Let's take a look at the third one. Again, I'm going to calculate omega equals 2 pi over 28 milliseconds. This is my power of 10. 10 to negative 3. You're supposed to use the keys exp plus minus 3 on your calculators, or EE plus minus 3 on your calculator. And I'm going to have 224.39 radians per second. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this one. We have omega equals again 2 pi over period. I have 2 pi divided by 580 microseconds. This is equal 10.83 times 10 to the third radians per second. Anytime we talk about the radian frequency, we don't use K. In some books you can find K radians per second, but most of the time we try to keep the power of 10. So I have 10.83 times 10 to the third radian per second is the solution to this problem.